Happy Manic Monday. I'm sure most of us are not feeling incredibly happy about the markets as Bitcoin just broke below $33,000. But have no fear. On today's show, I'm going to walk you through what I think is going to happen. We're also going to talk about some altcoins that could potentially do well in this Bitcoin bear cycle. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. Make sure to like, subscribe, set alerts, follow me on Twitter and TikTok for crypto breaking news. And also, you guys, thank you for all of the Mother's Day wishes yesterday. It really meant the world to me. And I've got a surprise for Hexicans later this week, possibly tomorrow around 11 a.m. PST. Anyways, let's talk about what the heck is happening. So this is the entire crypto market cap. So this takes into consideration Bitcoin and altcoins. I talked about us breaking below $1.65 trillion support, and we did. And yesterday on the live stream, we talked about this area at 1.27, which it's looking like we're going to hit. This is the daily chart. And again, I don't necessarily like to do TA on the total market cap, but I do think it is important so you guys can kind of get a clear picture as to why altcoins are not doing well. And that's because money is leaving the market. Now, when we take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is currently trading at $31,828. And we're getting real close to this bottom area of $29,000. If we lose $29,000 support, I will call that a bear market, not a bear cycle. A bear market is going to be about 2 years of bearish price action where pretty much everything in crypto gets decimated. We will see Bitcoin dump anywhere between 80 and 85%. A lot of altcoins will go to zero and a lot of alts will dump like 99%. Anyways, we need to hold $29,000. We need to hold this area that we hit in July of 2021, June 2021, and May 2021. So all eyes are there for now. I'm not doing anything with alts. However, with Bitcoin, I do have bids set all the way down to $20,000 for a massive chat swing later. So good news is hopefully we do bottom out at $29,000. Bad news would be if we break below, but hopefully we can kind of range in between 32 and 29,000 for a little bit of time and get some decent movement for alts. Now let's talk a little bit about Ethereum. So Vitalik, the creator of Ethereum, said, Layer 2 transaction fees need to be under 5 cents to be truly acceptable, which I get it 100%. But realistically, he's talking about layer 2 solutions, stuff that's kind of similar to Matic Polygon. But at the same time, because he's the creator of Ethereum, he also should be really focusing on making Ethereum transactions more affordable because that's going to take some pressure off the L2 solutions. Ethereum is going to be set to merge over to proof of stake from proof of work. However, I think it's going to take a little bit of time. And again, I don't believe it's going to happen right away. But anyways, taking a look at Ethereum price action. This is our trend line here. We need, in order for us to be bullish, we need to kind of get back above $3,000. Until then, I am looking for us to bottom out between $2,100 and approximately $1,600 here. You're probably like, Wendy, $1,600 is crazy. Well, guess what? In 2021, when we had that gnarly drop from all-time high, we kissed $1,600 in May, in June, and in July, just like we saw with Bitcoin. So Ethereum is going to be a long-term play with me. I'm holding my bags from a few years ago, and I'm going to continue to hold them into the future. But again, just because I like this project doesn't mean it's not going to continue to drop. As we're talking about layer 2 solutions, let's go ahead and take some time to talk about our channel sponsor of the show today, Yellow. Yellow Exchange is a multi-asset, non-custodial layer 3 hybrid DEX powered by Yellow Network. It works on top and connects any and all blockchains. So again, it is a layer 3, not a layer 2. And this layer 3 network enables the adjudicator as a gateway, for example, in Ethereum, Solana, DOT, and Avalanche. If you want to learn more about Yellow, they are having a AMA tomorrow, May 10th, Tuesday, 2 p.m. CT, which is also 5 a.m. PST. It will be held in their Telegram chat, and it is going to have all of these amazing folks here. And they're also going to be doing a POAP giveaway to all of the participants. So if this is something you're interested in, head over and take a listen. Now, there is a freaking crazy thread today from LFG, the Luna Foundation Guard. They tweeted, over the past several days, market volatility across crypto assets have been significant. The market turmoil also reflected by the past week's uncertain macro conditions across legacy asset classes. So basically what LFG does, it allows Terra Luna's protocol or whatever the heck to purchase Bitcoin to back their stablecoin UST. Let's go ahead and read a little bit of information here. So LFG to deploy 1.5 billion to bolster UST peg and build Bitcoin reserves. LFG set to deploy 1.5 billion capital to help protect Terra USD peg to the dollar. And they outlined on Twitter that it will be the first loan out 750 million worth of Bitcoin over the counter trading OTC firms to manage trade of the capital. Once market conditions have stabilized, the LFG will obtain 750 million UST loan. Terraform founder Do Kwon said, while buys and sells of UST are not meaningful directional now, we felt it was valuable to have capital ready deployed in the current market. As markets recover, we plan to have the loan redeemed to us and Bitcoin increasing the size of total reserves. This sounds a little bit crazy, and this is why I wasn't super bullish and excited about UST. I like Luna as a project, but I'm getting a little bit of nervous vibes here. I'm also going to have Corey from Swan to come on and talk about this and give us his thoughts from a Bitcoin maximalist perspective, because I think it's important to analyze. Now, when we take a look at the chart, doesn't matter that this has a lot of bullish fundamentals. Luna is still dropping. We will probably bottom off at around $47. Now, when we look in June or July of 2021, well, first let's take a look at March to approximately May 12th of 2021. We had the gnarly drop and we dropped all the way down to $4.18. However, we had a massive run up. Can we drop all the way down to 14.18 cents? I have no idea, but I would still be cautious, and I hope we kind of bottom out between $37 and $46. Either way, we will update you. And now, one of your guys' favorite projects, Cardano. So according to this article here from Finbold, Cardano adds over 70 smart contracts a week as more developers onboard the blockchain. So again, lots of building on Cardano. And I think that it is a pretty cool concept, and the fact I like to see them winning and pushing forward. Again, a lot of people are still not super happy about Cardano's price action because it is not sexy. But again, the aim is to grow the protocol and significantly increase the transactions throughout and within it, volume and liquidity. And we take a look at Cardano price, we broke below our supports here. Now, looking for another bottom out, I would probably call for 40 cents. 40 cents seems a little bit realistic to me if the market keeps dumping. 40 cents to approximately 22 cents, well, closer to 37 cents, but you can always adjust the trend line if you want. We're not looking good. We are below the EMA 200. Everything looks like it's going to continue to drop a little bit. I would hopefully expect some bottoming out around 38 cents again. So be very cautious here. And please also understand we could get a relief bounce. A relief bounce is not guaranteed, but it could still happen. Thank you guys so much for watching the show today. I know I didn't really have super good news. I was hoping to see a little bit more bullish price action with the charts. But again, I still do think that some of these alts will rebound eventually. But right now it is very scary and very risky. I'm also going to create a video to show you guys how to buy the exact bottom for altcoins, for Bitcoin, and also how to invest in different projects. Well, just different things that we look for on the WendyO team. Anyways, guys, sending love and light. I will catch you later. Bye-bye.